So I'm going to show you how to make an easy pasta rosa. For this recipe I use linguine, but you could use penne or any other pasta of your choice. You'll need heavy whipping cream, chicken broth. You're going to also add in some marinara sauce once you've made your cream sauce, so you'll need some garlic for the cream sauce. You'll also need Parmesan cheese and some butter for the base. Now you're going to start off by cooking your pasta, and while that pasta is cooking, you're going to go ahead and make the white sauce. So I put in about 2 tablespoons of butter and then pressed in 1 clove of garlic. Now if you want a smaller clove than I did, it'll be quite a bit less garlicky than mine. You just go ahead and saute that garlic until it's nice and brown, and then once it's brown, you're gonna add in some chicken broth. Now I added in about 1/2 cup. I just eyeballed it at this point because I don't cook from recipes a lot. Then once that's nice and warm, you're going to add in a little bit of Parmesan cheese and then some heavy cream. I would recommend whisking the cheese in to make sure it's combined. I added about 3/4 cup of heavy cream, and then once that was warmed up, I continued to add more and more cheese. I used about 3/4 of the wedge of Parmesan cheese. You're gonna continue to stir that, making sure it's all combined. You wanna make sure that when you're adding in your Parmesan that your liquid is very warm. Now I'm just draining the pasta here and adding in some marinara sauce to the white sauce, stirring, and then add the pasta and combine. Now if your sauce is too thin, you can add more Parmesan cheese and just add some for garnish as well. Just stir and toss, add any seasonings that you prefer, salt, pepper, etc., and there you are.